Hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning as we have some scattered showers falling near and just northwest of the Tri-Cities area, some snow out west. This will slowly be spreading across the area today, but notice up north you probably won't get much. In fact, I think up north there's probably going to be at least some sunshine today up here. So this is where your nicest weather of the day will be. The winds won't be as strong, might be a little bit of sun, no showers. But if you're needing moisture, up here is not a good place for that. The better chances will be in southern Nebraska. And yes, a little snow right there, which will start to spread eastward into our counties, our southern counties here. We're going to watch for the potential for some accumulating snow right in here. Probably not much around the Tri-Cities. Notice the strongest winds associated with the moisture. The winds will be a little bit lighter right in here. Continue to see that rain transition to snow, even if it's not below freezing, even with temperatures above freezing. If it is colder just above the surface, that can allow snow to develop. So the big question right now is what will the surface temperature be and how fast will the snow fall? Because if the snow falls quick enough, it can overcome those warmer ground temperatures and accumulate. It's going to be blowing snow too, so that could be a travel problem right here. So northern Kansas, maybe areas just southeast of the Tri-Cities, we're going to have to watch very close for some difficult driving conditions overnight. Blowing snow, some slippery road conditions out there. This continues into the late night hours, 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. By 7 o'clock tomorrow, this is kind of the last of that snow clearing out of southeast Nebraska. Meanwhile, more clearing out west, the winds dying down. Winds won't be as strong tomorrow, maybe a little breezy. We'll continue to clear up the skies from west-east during the day tomorrow and into tomorrow night. This will take us into a really nice day on Saturday. So there is a winter weather advisory in place in our northern Kansas counties here. This is Phillips, Smith, and Jewell County, Kansas. The winter weather advisory, it actually starts at 9 o'clock tonight. I know it's underneath my little camera thing there, but I'll at least point it out here. And goes till 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, okay? So that's what we have is 9 p.m. tonight through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning in these counties right here. Winter weather advisory out west will end before noon out there, or noon in mountain time there. But I also mentioned there are maybe a few other counties that could potentially be added to a winter weather advisory. I'm keeping an eye right here. It's a low confidence forecast, I'll tell you that right now, because it all just depends on that temperature and how fast the snow falls. Right now, kind of thinking a 1 to 3 inch type range. There is potential that very little accumulates if the snow doesn't fall heavy enough or it's too warm. But there's also potential that we could see places get over 3 inches of snow if that snow falls heavy enough, or maybe the temperature drops another degree or two. So we're going to be watching these areas closely here. Really draw a line from about Omaha to Lincoln to Blue Hill to Elma and then southward. That's probably your best chance of picking up on some rain, or some snow, and accumulating snow right in here. In places like Smith Center over towards Mankato, Belleville, Hebron, Beatrice, maybe 1 to 3 inches with isolated higher amounts, not out of the question. Like I said, it is a low confidence forecast. There's not a lot of confidence in the snow amounts because it's very difficult because of all those things I've previously mentioned. Well, temperatures for today will be on the cool side, cooler than yesterday, and keep in mind it's going to be blustery too. Winds 15 to 30 mile per hour winds, gusts to 35, maybe 40 miles per hour. Your coolest readings where the best chance of moisture will be right in here, so mid to upper 40s for highs. Some lower 50s in the southeast. Some of your nicest weather, again, maybe up north. Low to mid 50s here. Maybe even sneaking in some sun. The winds won't be as strong in northern Nebraska. Tonight, 20s and 30s. Coldest to the west where the skies begin to clear out. So north and west, 20s here. 30s here. And again, if it can drop down to 32, 33, 34 degrees, that would be very important with snow accumulation right in here. So that part of the forecast is going to be very vital for how much snow actually does accumulate. Tomorrow we start to see an improving day out there, back into the 50s for the most part. Warmer to the west where there will be more sun. More clouds in the east here, more sun out west here, so this is where your nicest weather will be. Tomorrow night, back down into the 20s for overnight lows, and then look at Saturday. Lots of sunshine, not much wind. Saturday looks absolutely fantastic. I think it'll be a wonderful day. So you look at the next 3 days, again, some moisture today, tonight, maybe some snow for some of you. And then here comes the warmer temperatures Friday, Saturday. Sunday will be the warmest day, but will come with some strong winds as we begin the spring season. And then the spring rains. Oh boy, they could be coming. I spell this out right here, that forecast, that part of the forecast right here. This is a 4-letter word. H-O-P-E, hope. Hope. Some beneficial moisture. A what could be looks like a pretty good chance of it, and it could be a prolonged period of time. Some of the best moisture we have seen in a long time across our area could be on its way Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday, the winds will get pretty nasty, and then Tuesday night, as it gets colder, we may see some snow mix in into early Wednesday morning before that shifts out of here. So a couple of windier days, chillier days, but we'll take it. We'll take it if we can pick up some beneficial moisture. Let's take a look at a couple of long-range models. This is Monday morning, according to the European model. Here it comes. Rain increasing during the day, and then most of the rain will fall Monday night, Tuesday. Snow out west, could be some heavy snow out west. And then again, as we get towards Tuesday morning, there we go. Still snow out west, rain for most of us. And then that snow starts to spread eastward Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before the system will clear out of here. That's the European model. Here is the GFS American forecast model. Here comes the rain again, especially late in the day, Monday into Monday night. Snow out west continues to spread eastward. There's those strong winds there on Tuesday on the north side of that low pressure down in Oklahoma. Continuing to rain with the snow in the northern and western parts of the area, and then eventually seeing that snow spread eastward Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before the system clears out of here sometime on Wednesday. So again, I'm hopeful. We're still 4 or 5 days out yet. We could certainly see changes to the forecast, but at least there is hope in the forecast. Before I wrap things up here, here's a look at the long-range temperature trends. After a chillier day today, we see warming temperatures through the weekend. We start to come down Wednesday as that rain moves in, and then chillier and windy days Tuesday and Wednesday. And then once that system clears out, we'll start to warm things back up later into next week there by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday back into the 50s. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. I hope it's a good one for you. I hope you get some beneficial moisture. If not, there's always next week. But until next time, tomorrow morning, I'll see you all later. Take care, and God bless. Bye.